Socializing 26. In a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 1993, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that whoever avoids arguing, even if they are right, will be given a house in the middle of paradise. It is important to understand that the characteristic of a true Muslim is not to argue or debate in order to promote themselves and their opinion. They should instead present the information in order to promote the truth. This applies to both worldly and religious matters. The one who aims to promote the truth will not argue. Only the one who is trying to promote themselves will. Contrary to what many believe, winning arguments does not increase one's rank in any way. The only time one's rank in both worlds increases is when they avoid arguing, and instead present the truth or accept it when it is presented to them. A Muslim should avoid going back and forth with others when discussing things, as this is a characteristic of arguing. It is this correct mentality which has been indicated in chapter 16 and Nahl, verse 125.
Invite to the way of your Lord with wisdom and good instruction, and argue with them in a way that is best.
A Muslim should understand that their duty is not to force people to accept something. Their duty is to simply present the truth, as being forceful is a characteristic of arguing. Chapter 88 Al-Ghashiyah, verses 21 to 22.
So remind you are only a reminder. You are not over them a controller.
A Muslim should not waste their time nor stress if others disagree with their opinion. When one holds on to these disagreements, over time it can cause enmity to build up between them and others, which can lead to fractured and broken relationships. This can even lead to the sin of severing ties with people. So in cases like this, it is important for Muslims to let things go and not harbor negative feelings towards someone who disagrees with their opinion and choice. They should instead push themselves to agree to disagree and move on from the situation without any ill feelings. The one who fails to do this will find themselves always arguing and possessing enmity for others, as they are bound to disagree with others on certain topics and issues, due to the difference in their characteristics and mentality. Understanding this principle is a branch of finding peace in this world. One should not argue with others who disagrees to the clear teachings of Islam. Instead, they should not take them as a friend, as one will be positively or negatively affected by their companions. Instead, one should maintain respect towards them and fulfill their rights according to the teachings of Islam, while avoiding socializing with them unnecessarily.